Hi, this is Krista with Bluebird in a Box.
Hey, this is Virginia with Bluebird in a Box.
And today we're going to talk about how to create the perfect guest list for your dinner party. So Virginia, what are your favorite tips and tricks? I find it so difficult.
I think it's one of the most difficult things, and I think that a well-crafted dinner party where you've been really intentional and thoughtful about who's coming is a really big gift that you can offer the guests coming. So I like to think about my guest list and kind of the people who are coming in various segments. And so sometimes it's good to cross-segment and bring people from different parts of your life. Sometimes it's really nice when you want that comfortable, just like easy conversation to go ahead and say, all right, this is my group of college friends, this is my mommy friends, this is my professional friends. So I kind of look at what kind of a dinner party am I going to host? Mm-hmm. Do you want something that's going to be a lot of new, engaging conversation, or are you looking for that cozy night in? And then kind of craft your dinner party around that. One of my other favorite tips is there's always someone really good at breaking the ice. Always include that person. I have one friend, our daughters are actually a day apart, and she and her husband could talk to a wall for hours and hours on end. She is the perfect person to include at almost any dinner party because sometimes other people don't like to come out of their shell as much. So when she comes or when her husband comes, it makes it incredibly easy and lighthearted. I think those are some of my absolute favorites on how to create that guest list. So, you've got your various segments and you decide what's the mood of the dinner party you want to have. Do you want that cozy where everyone has those deep secrets? Do you want to spur new conversation? And then always bring that one critical friend. And again, I think our last tip of the day would be think about that most uncomfortable person who's going to be there and make sure they feel comfortable. So if it's that person who's really, really introverted, and they would do better if they knew who was coming to the dinner party, so they walked into it with a little bit of ease. That might be a really good tip to walk away with and talk to them and say, hey, Krista, just so you know, these are the people that are going to be there. I want you to feel really comfortable, and then everyone can come out of their shell.
It's perfect. Well, with that, I think everyone will be set and have the best next dinner party they can ever have. Thanks. Join us again soon.
Thank you.